And this is the view from Pupoi Lum River Valley,
right
Fern
up
Valley.
to YouTube and Facebook. Yeah, I'll have a little.
They're good. Actually, I've got a. I wonder how mine will look. I wonder how the view will look with. You know, a bit of haze cutter on it. Though.
Yeah, a little bit of haze.
Yeah.
Probably a lot of burning.
Yeah, it is. But I've got the
Filter.
I've got the polarizing filter on.
What that is
And for the more adventuresome, a nice wooden walkway.